real thing Auntie Susie there say. He barrel really comfy too. I'm gonna get nothing out tight.
You're lucky, first come, first serve. You should have there when you're there. Look at now, a empty water in a head. See there, go and go drink it. Go and go drink it.
You know, sister, you drink enough already.
That's why me bitch, so I want
You drink enough already.
Come out of me yard. 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 Come out of me yard.
See, my baby, me tell her say your barrel come. Your barrel come and your sister collect you and give you none. Yeah, girl, but you have to understand, say, me is a girl. I like to see things, to believe. And that's when I remember saying, I don't to go up there again. You know, so I call the uncle and if you tell her something to do because this is not right. You see, the two barrels that you sent one for Lana, right? And one for my sister, right? One for me and one for my sister, right? Hello, just a minute there.
How do you know my sister-in-law?
Sister-in-law?
They know you, me see on one picture in your sister's house. Which is my girlfriend.
Okay.
So.
What's your shoes that?
You're blind then I go for shoes, I must my shoes.
The sister see me today and I threw a word about my clothes and my shoes so me have on. And I thought about me to drink dirty water out of barrel. Are you tell her say you give me the no?
B, listen. Stick up in. Don't listen to that rat face girl. You don't listen to she no in time. As she if you drink the dirty water, me don't cuss her and tell her that.
Me say go tell my sister me I disrespect you.
So now that exactly what you tell me tell her. I mean I don't want to disrespect you.
Alright, come on there so make we talk. Come on son. You know want give me a number in case she a murder you will lick around there.
You sure about this?
Stop it and come on now.
Oh, see one other one there.
Oh, where?
Right there.
Oh.
Yes. Yes. But anyways, I have something for you.
What? What do you have for me?
So I have $100
Wow.
US.
Wow. Really? Is this for me?
Yes.
Sure.
Maggy Films. Maggy.